Hey everyone, welcome back to the BytePhase channel. Today, we'll show you how to add a pre-post condition so you can capture the device's state before and after repairs. Let's dive in. Start by clicking the Job tab on the left sidebar. Then go to Job Settings and click on the Pre-Post Condition tab. Now click the plus button to add a new pre-post condition. Choose the device type. Pick the repair condition type and enter a name for your condition, like display is not working or charging port working. Then click Save. And that's all it takes. Your new pre-post condition will now appear on job forms, helping you document device conditions clearly and avoid disputes. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon for more CRM tutorials and repair shop system tips. Questions or other features you'd like to see? Drop them in the comments. We're always happy to help.